It's not just speedometers. Let's look at the Toyota RAV4 engine control module, engine control unit, or powertrain control module, more commonly known as the ECM, ECU, or PCM. Is your RAV4 a bit up? What? I said messed up. Anyway, have you received the P0750, 753, 755, 758, or P1760 false solenoid codes? Do the brakes feel like they're on while you're driving? From a stop, does it feel like your RAV4 is starting out in second or third gear? Do you feel it shifting hard or slipping from first to second gear? Are you experiencing the transmission slipping between second and third gears, or erratic or difficult shifting of the transmission from all gears, even reverse? This service is for the 2001, 2002, and 2003 Toyota RAV4 two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive models. You send in your defective module, we refurbish it, and send it back, installed with Toyota's latest software. The control module is plug and play. The ECM is easily accessible from inside the vehicle, located behind the glove box. Our service comes with a lifetime warranty, and we're proud of our one-day turnaround. We only need the unit in our shop for 1 day, and we typically are able to ship out your refurbished unit the same day that we receive it. Skip paying dealership prices and send us your unit today. A list of part numbers available for this service can be found in the video description. The products and services you'll find at speedometerrepairguy.com are the same rebuilt and refurbished speedometers, ABS control modules, lighting control modules, and electronic control modules, or ECMs, supplied to dealerships and auto recyclers throughout the United States. Please give us a call at 507-429-4489. Please thumbs up and subscribe as we continually are adding years, makes, and models to our service list.